By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what you need to do to go viral on TikTok in 2021. In fact, if you stick around for the end of the video, I'm gonna guarantee that I can help you go viral. I don't care how many followers you have right now. You could have 0 followers, you could have 1,000,000 followers. It doesn't matter. I am going to guarantee that I can help you go viral. So let's get right into it. Guys, the TikTok For You page is incredibly simple. In fact, it's the most powerful thing in the world if you wanna go viral, if you wanna get a lot of views, if you wanna build a community, if you wanna get followers. It's the most powerful thing on social media right now, and it's incredibly simple. All the TikTok For You page wants, it wants to make sure that it's showing people content that has been successful before on the For You page, and it wants to show people content that's going to keep them on the app. Why? TikTok makes money when more people spend more time on the app, so what they're gonna do, similar to YouTube, they're going to prioritize content that keeps people on the app and that looks like stuff that has kept people on the app before. Because at the end of the day, if your video has no views, guess what? The thing that's gonna get it on the For You page is whether or not it looks like stuff that has been successful before. And then what's gonna keep it on the For You page is whether or not you're getting the watch time they want you to get. That's why so many people get 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 10,000 views really quickly, and then their video dies. Why does their video die? Well, it took off in the beginning because TikTok thought they had an audience for that content, but once they showed it to those people, it actually didn't get them to stay on TikTok. It didn't get enough watch time, and that's why the video died. So for those of you that have been wondering, Rob, why does my video die after I post it on TikTok after 30 minutes, an hour, a day? The reason that it's dying is because you're not getting the watch time you want. So when it comes to creating content that TikTok thinks that they have an audience for, there are essentially 3 different ways to do this. First, you can hop on the broad trends that are on TikTok. Secondly, you can hop on the niche specific trends that are on TikTok. And then third, you can create content that is exactly like what has gone viral before. How do you do this? By duetting viral content, by stitching viral content. So you guys heard that right. 3 different ways to prove to TikTok that they have an audience for your content. Doing the broad trends on TikTok, doing the niche specific trends on TikTok, and then duetting or stitching videos that have already gone viral before on TikTok. Now, if you're looking for broad trends on TikTok, essentially where you're gonna wanna go, the discover page. You're gonna see hashtags under there, sound under there, and even posts and effects under there that have been going viral on TikTok. These are the posts that you're going to want to recreate. You want to recreate these trends, but remember guys, they don't last too long. They only last 48 to 72 hours, so you have to hop on them while they're on the discover page. If you hop on them too late, they're probably not going to go viral when you post them, and they're probably going to be out of trend, and then TikTok is not going to push your content, and it's not going to get that many views. Now, if you're looking for the niche specific trends, you want to go into the hashtags for your specific niche or for the top creators under your niche. Now, if you don't know who the top creators in your niche are, you need to go under those hashtags, and you need to look at all of the videos under there, and you'll be able to very easily find out who the top creators are for your niche. Now, when it comes to you taking advantage of videos that have already gone viral by duetting or stitching them, literally, I want you to scroll the For You page, find a duet, find a stitch that's going crazy on TikTok. Those are the only ones you're gonna see on the For You page. And then what you need to do, literally duet the original video, stitch the original video, and just make the content better. That's how you're gonna get on the For You page. That's how you're gonna go viral. And ultimately, that's how you're gonna guarantee that you get a lot of watch time on your content and you get the followers and build the community that you deserve. Now, I know, you're probably thinking to yourself, Rob, if it's that simple, how come everybody can't do it? I'm gonna get into that in just a second, but before that, I wanted to introduce myself to you. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name's Robert Benjamin. I'm the CEO of helping you grow on TikTok. I make videos about the TikTok algorithm, how to get views, how to get followers, and so much more. I quit my job working for Gary Vaynerchuk, Gary V. I worked at VaynerMedia, and I quit because I wanted to grow this YouTube channel, and I built it from the ground up by answering every single comment that I get. So please, if you have a question about anything, leave a comment below. I'm gonna be answering all of them. In addition to that, don't forget to smash that subscribe button because you are never gonna wanna miss another episode. And you guys know it, it's April 23rd right now. I'm not sure when this video is coming out, but the TikTok algorithm is going to be updating shortly, and I don't want you to miss that video. So again, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss it. So in addition to taking advantage of the broad trends, the niche trends, and posts that have gone viral before on TikTok, you can repost your best content. You heard that right, literally repost your best content. All I want you to do, go to TikTok, find your best videos that you've done, download them, then re-upload them, use a different description, different hashtags, and boom, that will make you go viral. I have seen so many people go viral from this. Devin Rodriguez literally went from 22,000 followers to over 2 million followers in 24 hours by doing a simple repost. Maya, I have a video coming out about her because she took the mentorship program and gained over 2 million followers. Guess what? Same exact thing. She had a post get 38 million views and it was a repost. You guys need to be taking advantage of reposts. I cannot emphasize this enough. You guys are going to go viral on TikTok if you repost your best content. It is one of the #1 ways to get views. You can't do it on Facebook. You can't do it on YouTube. You can't do it on Twitter. You can't do it on Instagram. You can do it on TikTok. So please make sure you guys are taking advantage of this. If you have a video go viral, you should be able to get 3 or 4 different posts out of that. Now, a couple other things. If you have a video that goes viral, in addition to reposting it, you should make a part 2 to the video. Start it off the same way and make it a part 2, and this video will do just as well because again, TikTok thinks that they have an audience for it, and if you implement all the things that you did in that original video, this video is gonna have an equal chance of going viral. Now, Couple rules when it comes to reposting. First, you don't want to delete, you don't want to private the original video. Secondly, you want to leave the TikTok watermark in there. Third, you do not want to repost the same video more than 3 to 4 times, and you do not want to repost a video after 72 hours of the first video going viral. You heard that right. Wait. Do not repost it the next day. Do not repost it the next hour. Do not repost it the next week, because then it might not be trending anymore. You're going to want to repost it 72 hours after the original video went viral. So now you know exactly what you need to be posting, and now you need to know what kind of watch time you need to be getting on TikTok if you want to go viral. So first off, the majority of videos that are going viral right now on TikTok are 7 to 13 seconds long. Now, if your niche makes videos way longer than that, you do not want to make a 7 to 13 second video, because then it's not going to go viral, because it's going to be based on the watch time and the length of your video. If your video is less than 15 seconds long, you need to get over 100% watch time. If it's between 16 and 30 seconds long, you need to get over 70% watch time. If it's over 30 seconds long, you should be aiming for 40 to 50% if you want to get on the For You page, if you want to get viral. Now guys, listen, if your video has that amount of watch time and it didn't go viral or it didn't get a lot of views, you want to know why? It's one of 2 reasons. Either first, you didn't post it at the right time, so I strongly suggest you repost the video at the best time to post for your account. Now, if you don't know the best time to post for your account, you're literally going to go into your analytics, look at your trending videos, see what time those were posted, and that is when you should be posting. Those are going to be the best times for you to post on your account. You can make notes of it in your phone, you can make notes of it on a piece of paper, you can make notes of it anywhere. Please write those times down. Those are going to be the best time for you to post. 80% of your posts should be coming at the best time to post for your specific account. The other 20%, you always want to be testing new times, because those times to post do change pretty frequently based on what people are doing, whether or not people are at school, whether it's the weekend, whether there's a basketball game on, whether there's a fight coming up. All of those things affect whether or not people are on their phone on TikTok, so please take those things into consideration when you're posting. If it wasn't the time that you posted, the reason your video didn't go viral is because TikTok doesn't think they have an audience for your content. Like I said in the beginning, having an audience for your content gets you those initial views. Getting watch time is going to sustain it and make it go viral. It can work the other way around. If initially you get a ton of watch time and TikTok doesn't think they have an audience for your content, they'll continue to push it out. But if you want to go viral, you have to have both of those factors. So I know what a lot of you guys are thinking right now. Rob, this is all you have to do to go viral. And yes, honestly, that is all you have to do. In addition to that, you should be posting 4 to 6 times a day on TikTok. Why? It's going to increase the odds of you actually going viral. People that only post once a day or post once every few days, the odds of you actually finding a video that are going to allow you to go viral, it's not going to be that high. But if you're posting 4 to 6 times a day, you have way more chances to go viral and actually find a thing that makes your account go viral. And if you haven't seen one of my videos before, you know that the second that something makes you go viral, you need to do that over and over and over again. It could be a post, it could be a duet, it could be a stitch, it could be a feature, it could be a song, it could be a hashtag. You guys need to make sure that whatever makes you go viral, you need to continue to do it over and over and over again. All of the big creators on TikTok are doing this. When they have a sound that works, they continue to do it. When they have a dance that works, they continue to do it. When they have a post type that works, they continue to do it. And that's exactly what you need to do if you want to make sure that you go viral on TikTok and sustain going viral. So many creators will go viral once and then they'll DM me and say, Rob, I'm shadow banned. I had a video get 1 million views and now my videos only get hundreds of views. And I go look at their account and the video that got 1 million views was a duet. And ever since then, they haven't done another duet where it was a stitch or a certain post type or a certain sound. Guys, when something works, you need to do it over and over again. That is how you're going to go viral on TikTok. Not only go viral, but grow a huge following, grow the community that you want to grow, and really get out of this app what you want to get out of it. So before I tell you how to go viral guaranteed and how you can get me to send you posts that are guaranteed to get you to go viral on TikTok, I want to recap everything that we just went over. So the only 2 things that matter for going viral on TikTok is whether or not TikTok thinks they have an audience for your content and the amount of watch time that you're getting. I gave you guys the watch time metrics that you have to be getting. I told you guys exactly how to get TikTok to think whether or not they have an audience for your content. Now, in addition to that, remember, it does matter what time that you post, because that is going to play a really big factor in whether or not your content gets pushed out and whether or not the audience that TikTok thinks they have for your content is online and eligible to see the video that you actually posted. Now, for those of you that are thinking you're doing all these things right, or you have done them right in the past, I want to tell you how I can guarantee that you actually go viral on TikTok. So if you guys want to go viral on TikTok right now, again, doesn't matter what niche you're in, doesn't matter what age you are, doesn't matter what country you're in, doesn't matter even if you think you're shadow banned right now, I can make you go viral on TikTok. I just created a go viral on TikTok guaranteed program. I want you to get into it. You get into it at the link in the description. Simply put, I'm going to help you go viral on TikTok, or you're going to get your money back, no questions asked. If you want to go viral, this is your opportunity. Now, so many people have asked me, Rob, what do you consider viral? I'm gonna consider viral, for the sake of this program, getting over 100,000 views. If you have gotten hundreds of thousands of views on all your videos, we'll make it 1 million views. But for those of you that have never gotten a ton of views on your videos before, I wanna help you go viral, get you over 100,000 views. This can literally mean, and you guys know my rule, with gaining 10% followers for your likes. So if you have 100,000 likes, you should have 10,000 followers. If you have 1 million likes, you should have 100,000 followers. The same thing is going to apply to these videos. If you can get a video with 100,000 likes on it, it's gonna have over 1 million views, then guess what? You'll gain over 10,000 followers from that video. These are the types of things that can happen to you when you get into my viral program, and I guarantee that I can help you go viral. So again, if you wanna learn more about that, go to the link in the description. If not, I strongly suggest you check out the rest of the videos that I have on my channel. In fact, YouTube is gonna suggest 2 of them to you that they're gonna put up on the screen right now.